stars, planets. I know a thing or two about them. All right. So let's just get this over with. You need to know exactly what a star and a planet is. So let's draw a little line separating our boys. So here, I'll take our sun, for example. Alright. Our sun is very large compared to Earth. Earth is like a little dot over here. You can see it, I'll put an arrow. So sun, although it's very large in our solar system, the largest star in our solar system, it's actually very small. It's a medium-sized star. There are black holes, voids, though bigger than it. Alright? It gives off light energy because it has a lot of helium and hydrogen. So basically helium and hydrogen, it's kind of like what it has inside. It burns it up and it gives off like energy for our Earth to, run. Because of course it's in kind of like a safe spot where life can thrive. But in about 5 billion years, it will run out of helium and hydrogen to burn and will, just shut down and then, hey, who cares? We're going to be dead. So, yeah, we'll be fine. So, and they're usually the center of a solar system or more. And now let's get to a planet. Let's take planet Earth. It's round because of its gravity pushing it in. And it rotates around, it revolves, around a star. And it usually has some sort of natural satellite. Yes, some planets don't have them, but most do. So let's take Earth. We only have one singular natural satellite, and that is the Moon, and the other one being the ISS space station, which is man-made. And other planets in our solar system like Jupiter, Saturn, they have hundreds of moons, and they're not all round like we think it is. But hey, let's just put that aside. So stars, they give off energy, and planets revolve around them. But there are different types of planets as well. Planets, there could be dwarf planets, gas planets, medium planets, and life-supporting planets. So let's just break it all down. Dwarf planets, for example, Pluto, is a planet which is too small to be considered a normal planet. But just throw that aside, because Pluto, it was considered as a planet, and then it became a dwarf planet. Next, there are gas giants. Most known one, Jupiter. Why is it called gas giant? Because unlike the sun, Jupiter is made of gas, but doesn't burn up. Because if it does, we'll have a second sun and we'll all be dead. Alright? So, Jupiter has something called the red eye, which is basically a massive hurricane, which we could not comprehend with our current technology. Like, we step in there, we're dead. Nothing else. Then there's also something called an ice giant, made entirely of ice. One of those is Uranus. Not your anus, Uranus. Alright? Like, I hate those people who make dirty planet jokes out of Uranus. I hate it. Alright, so Uranus is frozen in ice, alright? It's just full of ice and even rains apparently diamonds, but that's unconfirmed since we have yet to actually land on Uranus to to confirm that. So out of the way, I have just taught you a little bit about stars and planets. Hope this video was helpful to you, and yeah, I'll see you next time.